Hey, this is Jean and CA here at CA&J Farm. You know, we're an educational homestead teaching you how to grow your food and grow your medicine. And we're out here installing 3 packages of bees that we got from Billy's Bees right here in Matthews this morning. So if you see the earlier video was of me picking up the packaged bees. I'm going to turn you around. We've already installed 2. And the bees that are left inside the wooden boxes will come out during the night and go in there and join everybody. We're going to show you how we're going to do this 3rd one. I'm just going to set the camera down and you'll be able to kind of watch us work here. I don't know how good this is going to work. Let's see here. That ought to work pretty good.
Okay, you need to get your spray bottle. And I'll get the bees in first. Tell me when.
Okay. You got that rag?
Is that good?
You got the rag?
Rag's right there.
Okay. Okay. And we are doing a 3rd one. We're going to spray them with some sugar water. That'll keep them from flying. We found that you really don't need to do a smoke. You don't need to use smoke when you're installing packaged bees like this because they don't have a hive to protect, and they mostly the sugar water keeps them from flying, and you put them in their hive very quickly. So.
Okay. So we lift it up and we spray them down with the sugar water to make them a little docile.
And so they can't fly.
You know.
Flip them up. And then CA's going to tap them on the ground to make them kind of fall to the bottom.
Okay.
And I'm going to spray them a little more. And you should be able to pour them into the hive. Now he's taking out the can of syrup.
Okay.
Where is it?
Oh, I got it.
You got it.
I got it.
You got it. So we have when you pull out the can of syrup, kind of hold that up a minute, honey. When you pull out the can of syrup, it's got little holes in the bottom where they've been drinking and drinking that.
There's one still drinking.
Yeah. Yeah, he is. So when you pull that out, you need a rag. It's just an old pot holder we got here. Hot pad holder I've got. We just threw it over the hole so the bees can't come out too fast. And the queen is suspended in there.
Attached to the end of this trap.
I've seen some container bees, they're using plastic hives. I'm glad to see the wood. I'm glad to see the wood. Plastic bad, plastic bad.
Stuck to my head. There we go.
And this lady, this queen's got a bunch of bees all over her. They're getting to know her.
There's the attendants. And in the bottom of the bee container, for the queen, is candy. And we'll remove the cork from the bottom so the bees can eat the candy from the outside and free the queen.
Right now, they really don't know her. She was put in with this package of bees a couple of days ago when they were sent here from Georgia. And they don't really know her. But now that they've been in there with her a couple of days, they are starting to love her. They're starting to accept her as their queen. And they're going to chew through that candy within the next day or 2 and release her, and then she'll be free. We will check in a couple of days and make sure that happened.
Oh,
That's something different.
yeah, that's weird, isn't it?
That's like a, it's like some kind of hornet or something.
Okay. Okay, we're going to suspend her inside the hive. And then we'll dump the rest of the bees in the hive with her. Okay.
Yeah, that's some kind of hornet was trying to get in there.
All right, so the rest of the bees will just...
Look at brush gun.
Right here,
Look at that. Thank you.
we'll turn it upside down and shake them in.
So he stapled the strap of the queen hanging there, and always do that with the candy side down. And he's going to shake them into the hive.
of these guys did, the rest of them didn't.
Your gloves were not there. Yeah. I'm afraid his suit went up a little bit, and they saw skin and they started stinging him. Most of them are out. We're just going to lay the rest right there. We're putting a top board in there. And we're going to upturn a bucket of syrup water. This is a bucket feeder. And you upturn it, and you wait a minute until the vacuum seals. That's over that middle hole. We were going to use entrance feeders, and we are having a hard time finding our entrance feeders, so we're actually going to be getting some more. We do advise you to be a little better prepared than we were today. We've been so busy here at the farm. Always be more prepared than we were today. Now see, we put an empty hive body over here with the bucket feeder in there, and they will drink from that. That on there, and we always put a brick on top. To keep the top from blowing away. You okay, honey?
Fine. I got the proper gloves on now.
They got you, huh? They got you.
A sting or two is probably good for you.
Well, they say a sting or two is good. Yeah. Yeah.
A sting or two doesn't, maybe.
Yeah. Well, I hope you're okay.
I'm sorry.
Well, fortunately, CA and I are not allergic to bee stings. So anyway, here's our 3 hives. And like I said, even if things don't go well, just breathing forward. That's our motto around here, breathing forward. I do have to say, though, we were not very prepared today. We were last minute trying to find everything and everything. So be sure you're ready before you do this. We haven't done package bees in a few years. We've been doing nukes. And to install packages is a little different. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Try bees. We all need to raise bees to make our world healthy. Keep flying, little honeybee. We need you. Be well.